Your skin might not be the problem, your digestion might be. I sometimes drink clove water to help with my internal support and to help achieve a clearer skin. It is not a glow potion. Like, this is not a glow potion, but it is to support your internal system to achieve a clearer skin. You see, clove actually contain eugenol, reduce internal inflammation and also supports digestion. So if your digestion is calmer, then you will have a clearer skin. So it's just as if you are supporting your skin from within. Clove water may also help to stabilize blood sugar, reduce sugar spike, which might actually cause acne or outbreak. So make this clove water at home. How can you make this clove water at home? In a bottle, pour warm water in a bottle and add a few pieces of clove and let it stay overnight. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning, or you can drink this at night before going to bed to aid your digestion. Remember that beauty starts from within.